We're here at the Asus booth, CES 2020, talking about the PRoArt StudioBook 15 and the PRoArt StudioBook Pro 15. Which laptop should you buy? Coming at you right now. If you're new to the channel, my name is Benji Kaiser. This is where you're going to find the best tech and tools for creative professionals. So if that sounds like your kind of place, consider subscribing and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Also, if you're curious about more in-depth specs, as we're going through this video, you can head down into the description below and click one of those links. Now, that is an affiliate link, so if you do use it, I will get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. But that's what keeps this channel alive and the helpful content coming your way. We're looking at the PRoArt StudioBook Pro 15 versus the PRoArt StudioBook 15. I'm going to jump right into the specs so we can see the differences on a technical perspective. They both have the Intel Core i7-9750H processor. They are both 100% Adobe RGB color accurate, with a delta E less than 1.5, so they are very color accurate, and they are both 4K Ultra HD Pantone validated displays. The largest difference that we're seeing here is that the Pro version comes with the NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 Max-Q, and the non-Pro version comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU. Now, something I want to point out between those GPUs, the Quadro is built for creative professionals. It's been optimized for video editing, motion design, 3D animation, things along those lines, whereas the RTX is more of a gaming GPU that they have brought over to the creative professional space. So it's still going to be very capable of video editing, of motion design, of 3D animation, but the Quadro is just far more optimized for the creative professional. This computer is very well put together. I like the top vent, side vents, back vents, and bottom vent for a lot of good ventilation. There's a lot of power in these computers, so seeing that they have built them to have good ventilation to stay cool is super important. The keyboard is very well laid out, good spacing between the keys, a nice firm press, not too much press. I like that. I like how it's a good medium press for the key, and there's nice space on either side of the keyboard. The trackpad, very good. I like the soft click. It has good sensitivity, and this one is not a touch screen. So if you're interested in getting a touchscreen, something like the Pro Duo might be the way to go for you. Now, they have a really good port selection. We have a USB-C, we have 3 USB slots, an HDMI, a headphone, and an audio jack, plus a network port. So really well put together for the creative professional. Like I said, if you're curious to get more of an in-depth look, you can head down in the description below, use one of those links. But also note that keep an eye on the channel because we're going to get some of these in. We're going to be running some tests, video editing, Photoshop, some creative professional tasks that you guys do on the day-to-day to see how well they stand up against the things that we can throw at them. So subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of that future content. I'm Benji Kaiser. I thank you guys for tuning in with us at CES 2020, and we'll see y'all at the next video.